I launch every single product that I sell on Amazon. I work out a business plan. Anybody that's currently going through my inner circle and seeing myself and Bill build our business on Amazon here in Australia will see that we've built a business plan. We've got numbers put together. It's a proper thing. It's a proper business. We're launching a new business onto Amazon. That's the way to think about it. So I map out the launch every single time. I treat it as a business. Oftentimes, the launch is different, and that's based upon a number of different factors. But once you've got a few products selling on Amazon, there's a few different things that you can do. So one of the things with myself and Bill, for instance, we're launching a brand new skincare line here in Australia. And so that's a brand new product on a brand new marketplace, amazon.com.au, the marketplace. And so we have got no existing assets to leverage to do that launch. So every single component of the same launch that I teach you in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Training Program, Bill and I will follow. And then I'm also doing some new things that we're testing specifically for this launch that if they're successful will also go into ultimately the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Training Program. But I'm doing brand new things as well for this particular launch with Bill, which I'm documenting in my inner circle. So that's a brand new product, brand new marketplace. So that's one way it can work. The other way it can work is an existing product taken into a new marketplace. So Bill and I have this skincare brand. Once it's actually launched and working successfully here in Australia, then we will immediately try and sell it in another country, possibly Japan, which is one of the countries that Bill and I have spoken at length about. So we'll try launching the product into Japan. So that's an extension of the product, a launch based on the existing thing, and therefore our strategy will be different because we've got assets we can utilize to launch the product into the new marketplace. Things like we'll have existing customers, we'll have their email addresses, and I'll be able to build marketing campaigns based upon those in Japan using custom audiences, things like that. So that's another way it could work. The third way that a launch works is if you've got an existing product line. So let's take the skincare line again. So Bill and I have got a skincare line. We've got 5 products that we're initially launching. Once they're all working, every time we launch a new product that is in the same brand and in the same line, say a new eye serum or something like that, whatever it may be, then we can go to our existing customers to launch our product. Our existing customers will buy our new product, given that we've done a good job with them, of course. They'll buy our new product. So there's 3, count them, 3 different strategies you can undertake to launch a product. But, and this is the important part, Kay, every single product gets launched. Every product gets launched. I map it out, I think it through, I look at the pros and cons of the product, consider where it's going, consider the marketplace, and launch the product based upon thinking it through, not just kind of hope and best strategy. So we think things through, and that's why we get much better results than most folks do, because we go to the trouble of thinking it through. Exactly like I teach you in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Training Program. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.